Hey, Jen here with DIYing Ain't Pretty. Let's face it, DIYing can be hard. It can be messy, you don't know what you're going to get. So if I can do it, you can do it. And this is how. For this project, what you're going to need are a lot of balls, ping pong balls. And what you're going to do is take a drill and drill a hole in the center of each of the ping pong balls. I just chose a drill bit that was slightly smaller than the lights that you're going to be putting them on. And once you do that, you're going to take each of the ping pong balls and put it on the strand of lights. This is just a strand of Christmas lights. I chose a white, clear Christmas light. Light strands come in all different numbers, so you just want to make sure you pick the strand that's long enough to cover your project. And here I am showing you that you put all the ping pong balls on each individual light. I actually then hung the strand of lights using these push pins. My walls are fairly soft, so they went in easily, and then the strands wire just went straight over the push pin and held it in place. When I was doing my project, I chose to put the ping pong balls on the lights before hanging it, but you can put the balls on after hanging it and it will work out just fine. This is what it looks like. Then what you want to do to hang the curtain is get a tension rod, and this is just a normal tension rod that you would hang curtains with. Some people hang shower curtains with them. You just want to make sure you get one that when you put it up it will tighten tight and stay secure. So you want to get one that's long enough, and this is what it would look like, nice and secure. Some of them come with little brackets. You can choose to use those. I did not. Next, you're going to hang your curtain, and when choosing a curtain you want to make sure that it is a nice sheer look. I chose pink because that's my daughter's favorite color. And you're going to take that curtain and just hang it right over that tension rod that you put up. Once it's up, what you want to do is fold it in half so it's hanging over halfway, so you can see how it's doubled up. Then you're going to take the bottom and hang it over again, so it's like you put 3 layers on top of each other like this. The next thing you need to do is fasten your curtain so it stays in place. I just use this medium size safety pin, and I began in the middle of my curtain and fastened it up in half so it looks something like this. So what you're doing is you're just making the curtain shorter so it covers that top part of where their clothes are hanging, and you just put that bobby pin in, pull it up from the back and secure it. And so then you work from the middle, do one end, and then you're going to do the other. So you start from the point of your curtain and take it underneath and fasten it on top just like this. Next, I wanted to add that side curtaining in, so I chose a different color. I chose this sheer tan long curtain, and this is one of those curtains that you can just wrap around your curtain rod. So I took it and I strung it through the middle of my pink curtain, and I took it, wrapped it around my tension rod, and then tied it with a piece of twine, and then hung it again with one of those push pins so it stayed in place. And I did the same thing on the other side, as you can see here. Now what I did realize is after doing that my pink curtain was a mess, and so I had to take my bobby pins out and start that process all over. So you probably want to go ahead and put your tan curtain or whatever side curtain that you use up first, and then do your top valance curtain. And that's what you can see here that I'm pointing out, is that I ended up redoing that whole part there. And this is what it ended up looking like. Perfect little stage area or dress up area. You can see my daughter's mirror and dress up. Now I did this as her dress up area, but she was really frustrated with her TV and the glare, so we decided to make that dress up area more of a theater area. So we moved that whole section over into her closet. And so when we put that over there, her glare was no longer on the TV, as you can see here. And my daughter was a very happy camper to have this set up. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more DIYing tips and tricks from DIYing Ain't Pretty.